Hi everybody. In today's lecture we are going to study about Venn diagram. Now first we see the definition of Venn diagram. A Venn diagram, most of the relationship between sets can be represented by means of diagrams which are known as Venn diagram. Okay? That is, if we have given a data of a sets, universal sets and its subsets, we can represent it in a diagrammatic representation. Okay, so this type of representation of diagrammatic representation is known as Venn diagram. Okay, it was found by English logician John Venn in 1834 to 1883. Okay, these diagrams consist of rectangles and closed curves, usually circles. Okay, and the universal set is represented by rectangles and its subsets are represented by the circles. Okay, when we are drawing the Venn diagrams, we have to draw a universal set by rectangulars and its subsets by a circles. Okay. Now we see the example given. U is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as a universal set, and its subsets are A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, and B is equal to 4, 6, and B is contained in A, that is B is subset of A. Okay, we have to represent the Venn diagrams for the given example. Here we start from a smallest set. Here 4, 6 and B is contained in A, that is 4 and 6 are present in set A. So we will start draw from a set B. So first we draw a set B which contain an element 4 and 6. Okay, these are two elements contained in set B. Okay, now to draw A, here 4 and 6 whole set is contained in set A. So we draw A which should contain B. So this is our set A which contains set B. Now 4 and 6 are present in set A and B also. So we have represented in set B. So we doesn't represent in set outside B. Okay. Now remaining elements from set A are 2, 8 and 10. So we plot here 2 or represent 2, 8 and 10. Okay. Now the remaining elements from a universal set, we have to represent it outside of A. Okay, now remaining elements from this are from U. First element is 1 which is not represented in A also and B, so we represent it outside it. It is our first element 1. 2 is represented there, 3 is not there, so we represent it 3. Next 4 is represented inside the set A or B. Next element is 5. Next it is 6 is present in this. Next it is 7. Next 8 is present in this set. Next it will be 9, and last 10 is present in A, so we don't represent it outside the set A. Okay. This representation is our Venn diagram, which is Venn diagram for the given example. Okay. Now we represent the operation of sets in Venn diagram. In that we first see union of a sets, and its definition is, mathematical form is A union B is equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Okay, X belongs to A or X belongs to B. It is our A union B. Now its diagrammatic representation will be If we consider this rectangle as a universal set and this too as it is a set A, it is a set B. Okay, now we have to here represent A union B. Okay, now the element here definition is X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B, which means that both these elements from set A and set B are contained in A union B. Okay, so in A union B we represent this by lining our shaded region will be represent A union B. Okay, this is our representation of A union B. Okay, next it is intersection of sets, and its definition is A intersection B is equal to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Okay, here A intersection B is equal to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. That is, it is common in both A and B sets. Okay, now here a representation will be consider first universal set. So here we have to define a set A and some of the part of A is common in set B. Okay, now in this type of examples, the common part, we have to see the only common part. So here common region is this, which is shaded. So this is our A intersection B. Okay, which is common region of both sets A and B. Now if we have given this type of a Venn diagram, which type of this Venn diagram will be, or we have to define it in symbolic form. If we see the representation of Venn diagram, here the element shaded region covers whole set A and whole set B. Okay, here elements from set B and set C are totally covered by a shaded region. Okay, so it will be represent B union C. Okay, it will represent B union C. Okay, next example of same type, if we have given a shaded region or a Venn diagram and we have to find which relation it will be or what will be the operation for the given Venn diagram. Okay, next type of Venn diagram will be of this type. Now in this Venn diagram, if we see that here it shaded region is of some part of A and some part of C. Okay, if we observe it here, we can see that it is an intersection part. Okay, which is common part of A and C. This part is common part of set A and C. So common part means, so it should be A intersection C. Okay, now for this example, representation will be, if you see that it is A intersection C, common part of A and C. Okay, here if we denote it as A intersection C. Okay, this common region. Okay, and this common region is of set A and B, so we can write A intersection B, which gives it is union of this both A intersection C and A intersection B. So union of A intersection C union A intersection B, or or it is A, this total set A, okay, is intersection of B union C. Okay, if we see the B union C set, we define it by this shaded region, and its intersection with A, common region of A with B union C will be this only. Okay, this and this. So we can say that A intersection B union C, A intersection B union C, or A intersection C union A intersection B. Okay. Next, fourth example. Now here it is shaded region is common part of set A and set B, so it is A intersection B. Okay. Now consider the next example. Draw a Venn diagram of A contained in B. A is subset of B, C is subset of B, and A intersection C is equal to 5. That is, we does not have any common part between A and C. Okay, and U will be our universal set. So first we draw a universal set. U. In that, here A is contained in B and C is contained in B. Okay, so B will be our largest set. Okay, this is our set B. Okay, and A is contained in B and C is contained in B. Intersection is empty, so we have to draw disjoint two set. These are disjoint sets. Here it will be A and it will be C. There is no common part because A intersection C is equal to 5. So there will be no common region. If it not equal to 5, so we have to show some common part in between A and C. Here it is 5, so we does not show any common part between set A and C. Next, consider example number 2 of such type, which is given as A contained in C, comma, A is subset of C, that is A not equal to C, B intersection C is equal to 5. B intersection C is equal to 5. Here given that A is contained in set C and A and C set are not equal. B intersection C is equal to 5. That is, there is no common part in set B and C. Here first we draw a set C, okay, which totally contain, this is set C, contain set A. Okay, this is our set A. This is our set C. Now B intersection C is equal to 5. So we draw B here separately. And this is our universal set U. B separately because intersection is empty set. Now in this example, set A is contained in B intersection C and B is contained in set C. Okay, so first we draw a set C because C is our largest set. Okay, this set C. Okay, B is contained in set C, so it is our set B. Okay, set B. Now A contained in B intersection C, so intersection part will be B intersection C, its intersection will be B. Okay, if we see that this intersection, common part of B and C is totally set B. Okay, and in that we have to represent set A, so this is our set A. Okay, so this is C is not equal to B. From diagrammatic representation we can say that B is contained in C, so it is not equal to C, and A is also contained in C, so it is not equal. So this will be our diagrammatic representation of this example. Now we see the representation, Venn diagram representation of difference of a sets. This is our A minus definition of A minus B is equal to X, such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. So its representation will be, the element should be in X belongs to A but does not belongs to B. That means common region is not present in A minus B. So before common region, which will our A minus B. This shaded part shows our A minus B. Same as B minus A defined as X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. So here common region is not present of this both. So set B has this shaded region which define it B minus A. Here there is a remark. The sets A minus B, A intersection B and B minus A are mutually disjoint sets. That is, intersection of any of these two sets is null sets. Okay, that is, intersection of A minus B and A intersection B is always empty set. Okay, mutually disjoint. If we see the definition of mutually disjoint set, mutually disjoint set, its definition is, if A and B are two sets, then they are mutually disjoint sets if A intersection B is equal to empty set. Okay, mutually disjoint means, or disjoint sets means, its intersection will be equal to empty set. Its diagrammatic representation, we have defined this diagrammatic representations in some examples. So if you have to define this representation, it will be in this manner. Okay, no common part is in between two sets. These two sets are known as disjoint sets. Okay, now we go through exercise 1.4. In that, first example is, find the union of each of the following pairs of sets. In that, first pair is given as x is equal to 1, 3, 5 and y is equal to 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it is 1, 2, 3. So here union x union y is equal to all the elements from set x and y. So first element is 1. Okay, so it is present in both, we write it once only. Next element is 2. Okay, next it is 3, next it is 5. Okay, this is our x union y. If we consider next example as A is equal to, capital A is equal to A, E, I, O, U and B is equal to set A, B, C. So A union B is equal to element from both sets. Here we A, B is present only set B, C is also present in set B only. Next E, I, O, U. Okay, this will be our A union B. Okay, next consider example. Now next example is A is equal to x such that x is a natural number and a multiple of 3. So A can be written as, that is, A is equal to set natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Okay, now we have to write only natural numbers which are multiple of 3. So multiple of 3s are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. Okay, this is our set of natural number which are multiple of 3. So next set is B is x such that x is a natural number less than 6. Okay, x is a natural number less than 6. So less than 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here it mentions that less than 6, so 6 will be not present in this set B. If less than equal to given, so we can present in a set B. Here it is only less than 6, so we write from 1 2 3 4 and 5. So now here A union B is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Next it is 6 9 12 15 18 and so on. Okay, this is our answer of A union B. So here next example is A such that x is a natural number and 1 less than x less than or equal to 6. So set A is equal to, A can be defined as, here x is natural number and it is from 1 less than x. So here it is 1 less than x, so 1 will not present in a set A. So we start from second natural number is 2 3 4 5, and here it is given that less than equal to 6, which means 6 is present in set A. Next set B is equal to, again it is a natural number and 6 less than x less than 10, so we start after 6. So here it is 7 8 9 and less than 10, so we stop at 9 only. Okay, now A union B is equal to 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, which is our answer, A union B. Now consider next example. If A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to 3 4 5 6, C is equal to 5 6 7 8 and D is equal to 7 8 9 10. So first we have to find A intersection B. Okay, that is common elements between set A and set B. If we observe this set A and B, one is present in A, absent in B, so it is not in A intersection B. 2 is present in A but absent in B, so it is also not present in A intersection B. 3 is present in both, so we can write 3, and 4 is also present in both, so it is 3 4 A intersection B. Okay, now if we consider second example, A intersection B intersection C, that is we have to write common element from A, B and C. If we see in A intersection B there is 3 4, that is common element from set A and B. If we set C, sets in that set elements are 5 6 7 and 8, but no element is present in set A intersection B, so it will be null set, that is empty set. Intersection of A intersection B intersection C is equal to empty set. Again if we consider example B intersection C, so common in between B and C, there is common elements from set B and C are 5 6. Okay, so this type, or we have to find A intersection B union C. Okay, for that we have to first find B union C. So B union C will be, write first element from B are 3 4 5 6, and from C 5 and 6 we have written, so it remains only 7 and 8. Okay, so B union C will be 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now A intersection B union C is equal to, now common from set A and B union C will be, from A there is element 1 2 3 4 and from B union C there is 3 4 5 6 7 8. So common elements are only 3 and 4. So A intersection B union C is equal to element 3 4. Okay, now if we have to find A minus B from the given sets, so we have a definition x such that x belongs to A but does not belongs to B. Now elements from A are 1 2 3 4, in which 3 and 4 common elements present in both. So from A 1 and 2 are not present in set B, so A minus B will be of the set 1 2. Okay, if we have to find C minus D, so we have to find Common elements from C and D are 7 and 8 are common elements, and from C 5 and 6 are not present in D, so C minus D will be 5 comma 6. Okay, and D minus C, if we find D minus C is equal to, from D minus D and C, 7 and 8 are present in C. Okay, so 9, 10 are absent in C, so which we have to write in D minus C. 9 comma 10 will be D minus C. Okay, if we consider next example as A minus B union C. Okay, so here we have to find B union C is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and A minus B union C, elements from A are 1, 2, 3, 4. Common elements from A and B are 3, 4. B union C. Okay, so we have to write remaining element from set A, which are 1 comma 2. So A minus B union C is equal to 1 comma 2. Okay, these are some examples related to union, intersection and subtraction of two sets. Okay, for homework, solve exercise 1.4 remaining examples. Okay, exercise 1.4 remaining examples. Now next representation of Venn diagram is complement of a set, and its definition is A complement dash is equal to X such that X belongs to U and X does not belongs to A. Okay, now its representation of diagrammatic representation will be of this type. Here U is universal set. If A is a set, this is our set A. Here definition is X belongs to U and X does not belongs to A. That is, element from a set A does not belongs to its complement, so its outer side will be its complement. Okay, this will be complement of set A. This representation is A complement. Okay, for example, if we consider U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, and then A complement will be the elements which present in A will not be present in A complement, so we have to delete this from U. So 1 is not present in A, 2 is present, so complement it will not present. Next 3, 4 is present. Next 5, 6 is present in A, so we have to delete it. Next 7, 9 and 10. Okay, which will be our A complement. Okay, and its diagrammatic representation of the example will be, if this is our U, in A we have to represent 2, 4, 6 set. So 2, 4, 6 and 8 is present in set A. Okay, and in outside region it will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 10. Okay, this is our A complement representation, diagrammatic representation of A complement. Now next example is U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A is equal to 2, 3 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5. And to show that A union B bracket complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So to show this, we first find A complement, B complement, then A union B and then its complement. Now, so A is given, A complement will be, A complement is equal to 2, 3 and universal set is 1 to 6. So deleting A elements from U, we get 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay, as A complement. B complement is equal to B complement, we have to delete these 3 elements from U. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is present in B. So we don't write it in B complement. So it is 6. 1, 2 and 6 will be present in its B complement. Okay. Now here A complement intersection B complement. A complement intersection B complement is equal to common element from these two is 1 and 6. Okay. So A complement intersection B complement is equal to 1, 6. Next, for left side we have to first find A union B is equal to A union B. Here union will be 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and its complement A union B complement, A union B bracket complement is equal to, we have to delete this element from universal set. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 present in union B, A union B. So it's remain 6. Okay, which is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Okay, which we have to show. Okay. So today we stop here, and in next lecture we will see examples related to all these points. Okay, thank you.